Well, just yesterday, Google has introduced a new full stack vibe coding experience in the Google AI Studio. They're encouraging people to start building real apps. And of course, they are getting into the game. Now, let's just take a look. We'll do a couple of quick tests. But here's what they say, how they can help you build real apps. They can build games, multiplayer experiences. You can ask for a database backend with authentication, connect to real world services, and they say the agent is more powerful than other things out there. Let's give it a test and see. Build your ideas with Gemini. We're in the AI Studio from Google. So let's just ask it to build a World War II multiplayer shooter. Okay, I have not tested this prompt before making this video. Let's just see what it comes up with. We can see over here on the left-hand side that it's considering game interfaces. Now it's prioritizing 2D. Well, it changed screen before I could see it there. But it's building the files now. It is 20 seconds into this. We are building a World War II multiplayer shooter using Google's AI Studio. And while that's building, it's giving you some things to look at on the screen over here on the right, just some tips about deploying your app, implementing a progression system. So this, of course, is meant to keep your attention, keep your mind occupied, while on the left-hand side it's building. It's trying to keep you entertained here on the right, or just keep your attention. And again, it's giving you tips on how to use the system as it continues to build out the core architecture of this app. We're just over a minute into this request to build a World War II multiplayer shooter. Now it's developing the server, editing some more files, and here back in the main window, it's telling us that we can get pro-level visual intelligence very fast with Nano Banana 2. We can connect our app to any app to Google search results. We can build an app that can discuss current events. Meanwhile, we are approaching the 2-minute mark on this application. I would expect it to take a little bit of time, right? I mean, come on. Well, there we go. It ran for 107 seconds. What is that? That's less than 2 minutes. That's just roughly a minute and 45 seconds. It's telling us to use our mouse to aim, click, and fire. It's got a dynamic HUD, and it just kind of tells us a little bit about, what it does. So enter call sign. I'll just be Sam. Deploy to battlefield. And we're getting a little bit of loading stuff, I assume, here. It's running through a gazillion active soldiers. It's kind of hard to tell if it's just kind of flaked out or what's going on here. Surely this is not supposed to be doing this. So I don't know. Kind of a fail here. It says enter your call sign and click deploy to battlefield. That's what we did. And we're just kind of stuck in this loop. So I don't know. That's a fail, right? I mean, it was pretty impressive how fast. Okay, now it's stopped running through. Let's start it again. So I don't know. Not impressive. I mean, the speed was impressive, but there's nothing I can do on the screen and just watch it just sort of loop here and give me a headache with all the things, those lines moving around. So I don't know. I'm sure it's great, but that was just a first test out of the box. I didn't test the test. I didn't test the prompt beforehand. I just like to do this stuff and record it and sort of see. So again, big fail here for AI Studio on at least this test that I gave it.